Okay, today we're going to try another little art experiment. It's something that I've sort of seen before and I've always thought that looked cool, and I thought, hey, I'm going to try this out.
So I got a mannequin torso for free, and what I want to do is I want to recreate this in metal using a whole bunch of washers. So I bought a little bag of washers there, and I got my welder set up, and we're going to see if we can coat the whole thing in washers and then weld them all together. So my first idea was to cover the entire torso with double-sided tape and then stick the washers to the tape, and I thought that I would be able to sort of just work from there. But unfortunately the washers kept falling off, and so what I ended up doing is I just screwed a few of them down to the torso and then worked from the ones that were fixed in place and just kind of held one washer at a time and just worked from the middle out. Took quite a long time, one washer at a time, over and over and over again, and every now and then I would light the fiberglass on fire and have to put it out. Okay, I'm about, I don't know, 2/3 of the way through welding all the washers together. I bought 400 washers. I didn't know whether that was going to be enough or not, but I'm just going to go until the end of the bag. We'll see what it looks like then. So here we are, it's really starting to take shape, and at this point I've used about 300 to 350 washers. So at this point I was going to do more. I was going to fill the whole thing in, but I kind of like this like asymmetrical strap thing, almost like it's a garment. So I think I'm going to take it off the frame at this point and polish it up with a wire brush and see how it looks. So I just put a wire wheel in the end of my drill and kind of polished the entire thing up. It didn't make it super shiny, but it certainly cleaned it all up and made it look a lot nicer. There was a lot of soot there because I was also lighting the mannequin on fire fairly often. And here I am, just taking it off the form. Just pops right off, just like that. And it looks, yeah, pretty cool. Nice. And there we go. If that was where I was going to mount it, you could just put it on a wall just like that.